my name is Brittany and welcome back to the Kids Corner. Today we're going to be making slime. Slime is very easy to make and you actually might have some of these items already at home. So all you're going to need is a bowl, contact solution, baking soda, glue, water, and if you would like your slime to be a different color, you could use food coloring, measuring spoons, and if you have sensitive skin or you don't want to stir the slime with your hands, you could use a popsicle stick.
So to make your slime, you're going to need one entire 6-ounce glue bottle. I used Elmer's and I personally like Elmer's because I feel like it works perfectly every single time that I make slime, but you can use whatever you have at home. It does take a little bit of effort to get all of the glue out, but you just have to work real hard at it. Next, we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda is what's going to make your slime firm and not sticky because you don't want all of that glue to stick to your hands. Next, you're going to add some color. You could add 1 to 2 drops of any food coloring. I used red. I was trying to make my slime look a little pinkish, but as you can see right now, it kind of looks a little orange. And then I'm using my popsicle stick to mix up my slime. You can use your hands if you'd like to. I just didn't want to get my hands very dirty this early in the video. And then the next thing that you're going to need is 2 tablespoons of water. And we're just going to add those in really nice, and then we're going to stir again. I'm doing this on a table that's covered. I cover the table in butcher paper whenever I do my projects, just so I'm not getting the surfaces dirty. I think especially your parents would really appreciate it if you put down paper before you started doing any crafts. Lastly, what we're going to do is we're going to add 1 tablespoon of contact solution. Contact solution is something that your parents might have at home. If your parents wear contacts and not glasses, they might have this around the house, so you can use it, but you have to make sure to ask them first. We're also going to make sure that we're adding our contact solution very slowly, or else your slime will get really chunky. Nobody wants really chunky slime. I definitely don't. So we're just going to add a little bit, and then we're going to stir, and then we're going to add and then stir again. And we're just going to keep on doing this until your slime gets the right consistency. And as I'm stirring right now, my slime is actually getting to be more of that pink color that I had originally intended. And it's looking a little bit like bubble gum, like really stretchy bubble gum. But we're gonna make sure not to eat our slime. Slime is not good for eating. And it looks like I've added enough contact solution so that it's at the right consistency. You want it to be in your hands and not really stick to your hands because that doesn't make good slime. Look, it's really stretchy. I like my slime to be very stretchy.
Once your slime is all nice and mixed, it is ready to play with. If your slime is a little bit sticky, you can add some baking soda to keep it from sticking together.
Hey, Miss Brittany, what's the sign language word of the day?
Very good question, Curator Stevie. The sign language word of the day is sticky because slime is just a little bit sticky. So to say sticky in sign language, you're going to hold up your hands, palms up, and you're going to touch your thumb to your middle finger, and you're going to go like this. So sticky. Thank you everyone who joined us for today's craft. If you would like to show us the slimes that you've made at home, make sure to tag all your social media posts with #GuildKidsCorner. Thank you very much and we'll see you next time. Have a nice day. Bye.